Welcome back to RVenture Life. Today, we're checking out a travel trailer that definitely stands out from the crowd. This is the 2026 Vibe 2500 FK. And if you've been looking for something that doesn't follow the same formula as every other RV on the market, you're going to want to stick around for this one. At first glance, you can tell this camper was designed with a different approach. It features a front kitchen layout, 3 slide-outs, a walk-through bedroom, and a rear bathroom arrangement that creates a very unique living experience. Some RV shoppers are going to love what this trailer offers, while others may decide it's not the right fit for their camping style. That's exactly why we're taking a detailed look at everything it brings to the table. Starting outside, one of the first things you'll notice is the large front windshield. This giant viewing window creates a bright interior and gives the trailer a very open feel. A protective cover is included to help shield the glass during travel, which is a feature many RV owners appreciate. Large front windows look fantastic, but having extra protection during transportation can provide additional peace of mind. Moving inside, the front portion of the trailer is dedicated almost entirely to the kitchen and living area. The opposing slide design creates a surprisingly open floor plan, considering the overall length of the camper. Once all 3 slides are extended, the interior feels much larger than many people expect. The kitchen immediately becomes the focal point of the space. There is a center island that helps separate the kitchen from the main seating area, while also providing additional counter space. For anyone who enjoys preparing meals while camping, having extra work surfaces can make a big difference. Counter space is one of the strongest features here. There is room for food preparation, serving meals, and storing small appliances without feeling cramped. The layout was clearly designed to maximize workspace, while still maintaining an open traffic flow throughout the front section of the RV. The sink placement is somewhat unique and contributes to keeping the center walkway more open. Depending on your preferences, some people may find the arrangement convenient, while others may need a little time to adjust to it. Either way, it helps preserve usable floor space in a relatively compact footprint. Storage throughout the kitchen is respectable. There are multiple cabinets and drawers available for cookware, utensils, dishes, and pantry items. A large pantry provides additional room for groceries and longer camping trips. If you're planning extended stays at campgrounds, having dedicated food storage is always a welcome feature. The refrigerator utilizes a modern 12-volt compressor design, providing residential-style cooling performance. Many RV buyers appreciate this setup because it cools quickly and offers reliable operation. One topic that may generate discussion among potential buyers is the cooking setup. The trailer includes a microwave and cooking appliances, but there is no traditional propane oven. For some campers, that won't matter at all. Others who frequently bake while traveling may prefer a different arrangement. It ultimately depends on how you like to cook while camping. Across from the kitchen sits the entertainment area. The television placement creates a direct viewing angle from the theater seating, making movie nights and game days very comfortable. The seating position aligns naturally with the TV, so viewers can relax without constantly turning their heads. The theater seating itself provides a comfortable place to unwind after a day outdoors. Whether you're watching your favorite show, reading a book, or simply enjoying the view through the large front window, this space serves as the primary relaxation zone inside the trailer. One of the biggest advantages of the front windshield becomes apparent once you're seated. The amount of natural light entering the living area creates a bright and inviting atmosphere. Campers who enjoy scenic campsites will likely appreciate the ability to look out and enjoy the surroundings from inside the RV. As we move toward the center of the trailer, we arrive at the walk-through bedroom. This arrangement allows the bedroom to function as a transition area between the front living space and the rear bathroom. The bedroom features an Olympic queen bed, positioned for easy access from both sides. This is an important detail because it makes getting in and out of bed more convenient for couples. Walk-around access is often high on many buyers' wish lists, and this floor plan delivers that capability. Storage in the bedroom is actually quite impressive. There are multiple drawers, cabinets, and storage compartments available for clothing and personal items. Many RV owners find that bedroom storage becomes increasingly important during longer trips, and this model provides a reasonable amount of dedicated space. Additional hookups are available for those who wish to add a bedroom television. While not everyone feels a TV is necessary in the sleeping area, it's nice to have the option available. Near the foot of the bed, you'll also find supplemental heating designed to help maintain comfort during cooler weather. This can be especially useful when camping during spring and fall seasons. Continuing toward the rear, we arrive at one of the most discussed aspects of this floor plan, the bathroom arrangement. Because the bathroom is located behind the bedroom, anyone using it must pass through the sleeping area. For some RV buyers, this won't be an issue at all. Couples traveling alone may actually appreciate the privacy this setup provides. On the other hand, campers who frequently host guests may prefer a floor plan with a more accessible bathroom location. This is one of those features that depends entirely on how you plan to use the RV. The bathroom itself offers several positives. The shower is spacious and provides generous headroom thanks to the taller ceiling in this section of the trailer. Taller campers will likely appreciate the extra vertical space. There is storage available for towels, toiletries, and everyday essentials. While the sink area is relatively straightforward in design, it remains functional for daily use. A rear entry door provides direct access to the bathroom from outside. This can be extremely convenient during travel days or quick roadside stops. Instead of walking through the entire camper, you can enter directly into the bathroom area when needed. Travel accessibility is always an important consideration, and this layout presents a mixed picture. Certain areas remain accessible while others become more restricted when the slides are retracted. As with many unique floor plans, buyers should carefully evaluate whether the travel access configuration matches their personal needs. Now, let's talk about towing considerations. Although the trailer may appear manageable based on its overall length, the weight distribution deserves careful attention. The front kitchen design places significant components toward the front portion of the trailer, including cabinetry, appliances, storage, and cargo capacity. As a result, prospective owners should pay close attention to hitch weight and payload ratings when selecting a tow vehicle. Proper matching between the RV and tow vehicle is essential for safe and comfortable towing performance. The trailer rides on a wide stance axle configuration that helps improve stability on the road. This design can contribute to a more controlled towing experience compared to narrower axle placements. Outside storage is somewhat limited compared to some competing floor plans. This is often the trade-off associated with front kitchen layouts. The interior living space receives priority, which naturally reduces the amount of exterior cargo capacity available. For many couples, that compromise may be perfectly acceptable. Others who carry large amounts of outdoor equipment may want to consider how much storage they typically require. On the campsite side of the trailer, you'll find an outdoor convenience and entertainment area. An exterior refrigerator provides easy access to drinks and snacks without requiring trips inside the RV. There's also an exterior television setup that can be enjoyed while relaxing under the awning. Whether you're watching sports, enjoying a movie, or simply creating an outdoor gathering space, this feature adds versatility to the campsite experience. The trailer utilizes dual-power awnings to create covered outdoor living areas. Because of the slide and door placement, a single awning would not have effectively covered the entire camping side. The dual awning arrangement helps maximize usable shade and weather protection. Additional convenience features include power stabilizer jacks, a power tongue jack, exterior hookups, and modern campground-ready utilities. At the rear, you'll find service connections along with the water heater placement. This location allows quick hot water delivery to the nearby bathroom shower, while still providing full functionality throughout the rest of the trailer. The roof is walkable. The trailer is backup camera prepped, ladder prepped, and available with solar equipment depending on configuration. So what's the final verdict on the 2026 Vibe 2500 FK? This is not a travel trailer designed to appeal to everyone. Instead, it targets campers looking for something different from the typical layouts seen throughout the industry. The combination of a front kitchen, triple slide floor plan, walk-through bedroom, and rear bathroom creates a camping experience that stands apart from more conventional designs. If you prioritize a spacious living area, impressive front views, comfortable seating, and a distinctive layout, this RV may deserve a closer look. If you prefer maximum exterior storage, a traditional bathroom location, or a more conventional floor plan, you may find other options better suited to your needs. Either way, there's no denying that the 2026 Vibe 2500 FK brings a unique personality to the travel trailer market. Thanks for joining us here on RVenture Life. If you enjoyed this tour, be sure to subscribe for more RV walkthroughs, reviews, and camping content. Until next time, stay safe, enjoy the adventure, and happy camping.